This is the old washing machine. It's been 10 years already that we've been using this. So today we replaced it with Samsung. The new one that we bought yesterday. It cost 125 reals. It has an inverter, and now we are using it, testing it. But you know, in fixing this, we got a big problem because when my son fixed it, it's not getting any water, and it continued to drain to the draining system. And the only remedy or solution to that is to add this pipe to make the elevation higher. So now it's getting water now. This is how they did it. But before this pipe was short, so it's not giving, it's not accumulating water. But now it's okay now because of this. You have to make the level higher, the tube higher. Now it's different from our old washing machine. It's totally different. It's it's a bit high-tech now, but still it's cool to use. So I set it only to 4 for the water level and 6 for the wash time, 6 minutes, and rinse twice and steam for 3 minutes. Now it's working nicely. This is the wonder of technology. Instead of washing these clothes by hands, the machine does it by itself. This is the detergent that we use. Favorite one.